Hi everyone, Alex here, your Python developer from Pynest, and welcome back to another episode of our YouTube video series where we dive into real-world developer cases and uncover the secrets behind creating awesome IT solutions. Last time we explored our top generation, and today we are going to jump into another exciting topic, Telegram bots. Telegram bots aren't just for personal notification and reminders anymore. They've evolved into fully functional assistants that can be used for personal projects and business of any size. You might think that bots are only for big companies, but guess what? Even small projects and personal tasks can benefit from them in ways you wouldn't expect. Let's explore how. Let's dive into some practical examples of how Telegram bots can make a real difference. First up, think about optimizing your workday or week. You might need to keep track of deadlines, meeting reminders, and important calls. Sure, Google Calendar can help, but what if you need something more customized? Imagine having a bot that sends you reminders to send reports to your colleagues right in your Telegram work chat. Or even better, it could notify you about important updates from specific channels that matters to your work. This way, you get timely reminders in the exact context you need. Now let's consider a small business scenario, say a yoga studio or fitness center. Imagine having a Telegram bot that manages your schedule and client interactions seamlessly. This bot could remind clients about upcoming classes, accept training requests, and automatically send notification about any schedule changes. Plus, it could function as a simple CRM system, keeping track of class attendance and other key details. We've seen how Telegram bots can benefit small businesses and personal projects, but what about larger enterprises? Picture this. You've launched a new social network and need to attract new users. Here's where a Telegram bot can shine by cross-posting content. How does it work? If you are looking to bring in writers from other platforms or bloggers with active Telegram channels, your bot can automatically cross-post their messages from Telegram to your social network. This means every time a writer publishes a new post on their Telegram channel, it also appears on your platform. Not only does this save time for writers by avoiding duplicate content, but it also helps to drive their audience to your new social network. Now let's break down how it all works. To create a Telegram bot, you will need a few essential tools. First, you will use the Telegram API, which offers a straightforward way to interact with users and exchange data. Start by registering your bot through BotFather. BotFather is a Telegram official bot, and you will get an API token to use. Next, to make your bot operational, you need a library to work with the Telegram API. As for me, AioGram is a great choice here. It simplifies the process of creating bots in Python thanks to its asynchronous architecture, making your development faster and more efficient. Additionally, you will need a database to store user data and other information. PostgreSQL is a popular option, but any relational database that integrates with your bot through SQL Alchemy or another realm will work. Finally, your bot can be a small service that does things like answer requests, talk to users, and do specific things like cross-post or send notification. For other responsibilities like data storage or integrating with external APIs, you can set up separate service. This approach will make your system more flexible and easier to scale. When developing bots, it's crucial to focus on the user experience. Making a bot might seem easy, but making a good design is important for making it stable and usable in the long run. Here are some key considerations. Always save important information, like API tokens and passwords in separate configuration files instead of putting them directly into your code. This practice enhances security and makes it easier to manage credentials. Callbacks and logic optimization. Using callbacks effectively can streamline user interactions and improve event handling. This helps to create a smoother experience and ensures your bot responds accurately to user inputs. Modularity. Organize your code by separating text, states, handlers, and the bot launch process into distinct files. This modular approach simplifies maintenance and future development, making your project easier to support and expand. Menu buttons and navigation. Structure your menu buttons and keyboards to facilitate easy navigation for users. Clear and intuitive navigation enhances the overall user experience. Multilingual support. If your audience speaks multiple languages, consider adding a multilingual support. This will broaden your bot's reach and make it more accessible to a global user base. error handling. Implement robust error handling to ensure your bot can handle unexpected situations gracefully. Proper error management prevents user frustration and maintains the bot's reliability. A well-thought-out architecture not only makes your bot easier to scale and enhance, but also keeps your code base clean and the development process smooth. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons of using Telegram bots. Pros. Accessibility. Creating and deploying a Telegram bot is straightforward and quick. With the Telegram API, you can build functional solutions in just a few hours. Versatility. Telegram bots work on any device that has the Telegram Messenger installed, making them highly accessible. Automation. Bots can automate a wide range of tasks, from sending notifications and managing orders to handling employee communications. Integration. Telegram bots can be integrated with external services like Google Sheets or Slack, enhancing their functionality and connectivity. Cons. Functional limitations. Telegram bots cannot replace full-fledged mobile apps or web services. They come with functional constraints that may not meet all needs. Security. You must carefully manage security, especially when handling sensitive user data or financial information. Ensuring robust protection is crucial. Platform dependence. If Telegram is blocked in certain countries or experiences downtime, it could affect the availability and usability of your bot. Telegram bots have many benefits, including being easy to use and automating tasks, but it's important to know how there are limits and possible security problems. In summary, Telegram bots are a powerful and versatile tool that can become an integral part of both business processes and personal life. Their flexibility and accessibility make them adaptable to a wide range of tasks, from simple reminders to complex integration with external services. Telegram bots open the door to automation and streamlining many routine operations, enhancing your efficiency and technological capabilities. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please support us with likes and comments. Your feedback is crucial for us. If you're interested in learning about integration Telegram bots with other popular services, let us know. In upcoming videos, we will dive into specific examples of implementing such bots and show you how to automate business processes by connecting with platforms like Google Sheets, CRM system, and more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on new and useful IT insights. See you next time.